This is the red carriage. Look, a red fox. Can you say fox? Great. Now the orange carriage. What color is that animal? Let's press the green button. Yay! A round green apple toy. Can you say green apple? The bus stopped. Who's coming out? It's the letter C, and C is for cat. Meow! Let's say it together. C, cat. It's time for music. Sing with the lion on the drums and the rabbit on the piano. Let's play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Look, the blue helicopter is saving the yellow duck. Quack, quack. Can you make the duck sound too? The triangle goes here. Great job. It's a yellow triangle. Let's find the next shape together. 1, splash. 2, splash. Let's count all the way to 10 with our animal friends. Here comes a pink elephant balloon. Isn't it huge? Can you say elephant? What color is it? This is a red tomato. Let's plant it here. Oh, look, a yellow bee is visiting the flowers. Bzzz. Round and round we go. Who's jumping off? It's the green turtle. Say green turtle. Whoa, it's an octopus. Can you count its arms? 1, 2, 8. Say it with me. Octopus. Here comes a surprise egg. Pop! It's a happy monkey. Let's smile like the monkey. Now let's see. What's the opposite of happy?